Alliant Energy Center could be the state's next alternative care facility if approved by FEMA. Gabriela Becerra shares how the facility would function.
If approved, transforming the Alliant Energy Center into an alternative care facility is only expected to take weeks to get it up and running.
The timeline is up to the Army Corps of Engineers and the state. The Army Corps is coming to take a walkthrough to take a look at what needs to be done there. My understanding is that in looking at facilities across the country, that once they are on the ground, that the process only takes a few weeks.
The facility is expected to have over 300 beds to host non-COVID patients from Dane County and its neighboring counties. This would free up space in existing hospitals so those facilities can focus on COVID-19 treatment.
I would hope it wouldn't negatively impact our efforts in Dane County. But again, that reinforces the point that it's so incredibly important for everyone to be strictly adhering to these guidelines.
Parisi says a combination of healthcare professionals from UW Health, Unity Point Meritor, and SSM will treat patients at the facility.
From a county standpoint, we're able to provide a facility and a little bit of support, but we're not in the business of running hospitals. So we're depending on those folks in the state to come in and run the actual facility.
While it remains to be determined how long a facility would be needed for, Parisi says he's hoping it won't be needed at all.
Now, this is in preparation for what would be, likely a worst-case scenario. What we're hoping for is that everyone can continue to strictly adhere to the Safer at Home guidelines so that we can achieve a best-case scenario.
Parisi says his message to the community is what we're doing appears to be working, but he doesn't want people to let up on restrictions and have cases spike again. In Madison, Gabriela Becerra, News 3 Now.
The Army Corps of Engineers have started mobilizing to develop an alternative care facility at the Exposition Center at the Wisconsin State Fair Park.